We went to speak to Professor Richard Jenner at the UCL Cancer Institute about his groundbreaking research into the potential of regulatory T cells to treat cancer and autoimmune diseases.
So the immune system is a group of cell types, particularly white blood cells, that act to combat infection and also more recently been found to also act as surveillance against cancer. And it's the balance in the function of the immune system that's critically important. Too little activity can allow infections to get a hold in the body and also allow cancer cells to grow. But too great activity in the immune system can cause autoimmunity and allergies. And so it's this balance between not too much activity but not too little activity that's critical and critical for health. And any imbalances in that can lead to disease.
The immune system is a collection of structures and processes within the body. Its function is to protect against disease or other potentially damaging foreign bodies. When functioning properly, the immune system can identify a variety of threats, including viruses, bacteria, and parasites, and distinguishes them from the body's own healthy tissue.
So miRNA-142 or miR-142 is a RNA molecule. These are a group of molecules in the cell that act to limit the production of certain proteins. And we found that miRNA-142 was essential for the suppressive arm of the immune system in order to damp down excessive responses. In the absence of miRNA-142, you get excessive responses to excessive immune responses and therefore damage to the organism.
You see, the immune system is all about balance. There are things that activate the immune system, like viruses and bacteria, and things that suppress the immune system. Suppressing or regulating the immune system is important to prevent the system from being overactive, since an overactive immune response leads to allergies and even autoimmunity.
So regulatory T cells are a type of white blood cell that act to damp down the activatory effects of the other cells of the immune system. So in the absence of regulatory T cells, you get an excessive autoimmune responses against normal cells. So Tregs are an important part of this balancing act of the immune system.
miRNA-142 is found inside regulatory T cells and plays an important role in dampening down immune responses. However, a key role of the immune system is to kill cancerous cells. Therefore, if miRNA-142 makes the immune system too underactive, the immune system is not able to protect the body by killing cancerous cells.
So any discovery of any molecule that has an important role in regulating the balance between the activatory effects of activatory part of the immune system compared to the suppressive part of the immune system is important because it gives us an opportunity to rebalance the immune system where it is out of balance in diseases.
Targeting miRNA-142 in the opposite way, through unregulating its activity, also has potential in autoimmune conditions, as in autoimmunity the immune system is hyperactive. In order to suppress the immune response, we can increase the activity of regulatory T cells to control the overactive immune cells. This can be done through increasing concentrations of miRNA-142.
If we can promote the function of miRNA-142, which enhances the suppressive activity of the immune system, then we might be able to combat development of autoimmune diseases and autoinflammatory diseases such as rheumatoid arthritis and inflammatory bowel disease. But this will take longer probably than translation of these results into cancer therapeutics. By modulating the function of miRNA-142, we can rebalance the immune system to either be more active or less active. And so this then could have uses in diseases which are caused by inappropriate immune responses or are aided by inappropriate immune responses such as cancer, such as autoimmune disease, such as inflammatory bowel disease. Which of these the discovery is going to have the greatest impact is not clear yet, but we're pursuing both functions in cancer and also in inflammatory diseases, including inflammatory bowel disease.